Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to demonstrate you working of pipes in Angular 14. But you can use it in other Angular versions as well. Like as you know, pipes are being used since Angular 2. Okay, so yeah, you can use it with any version of Angular. Okay, so before proceeding, I would like to request you guys please subscribe my channel if you have not done that yet. Okay, now let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, so you can see here now earlier in AngularJS basically we used to call it filters, but after AngularJS we have Angular 2, 4 and other versions of Angular, so since then we call it pipes. So pipes is a symbol. You can see this is the symbol for pipe. Okay, so this symbol basically used to transform the data in the Angular to make it according to the requirement what we want to display in the browser. So we'll see how we can transform the data using the pipes. So let's see first how many pipes are there. So you can see here these are the built-in pipes. So there are a lot of pipes, like these are the only built-in pipes, but you can also have custom pipes according to the requirement. But in this video we will just see how the use of all the built-in pipes. Okay, so first you can see it is lowercase pipe, uppercase pipe, data pipe, date pipe, currency pipe, JSON pipe, percent pipe, decimal and slice pipe. Okay, so we'll see how it's working. So to see that, let's move to the Visual Studio Code, and you can see I am at the same place where we left the earlier video. Okay, so now what I will do first, you can see here it is title. I am passing from the TypeScript to HTML to display it. Okay, so what I will do, I will use first pipe. So first pipe is the lowercase pipe. So what I will do, I will go here and not here actually in the HTML. So we can use pipe in the HTML basically. Okay, only in the template files to transform the data. Okay, so what I will do here, I mean we can use it with basically wherever we use interpolation, we can use these things. Okay, so for example, suppose I want to use title here. Okay, so what I will do here, I will add pipe here. Okay, and I will make it uppercase. So now you will see all the characters will be converted into uppercase. So let me see the browser here. Okay, and you can see Angular 14 is now converted into uppercase, but what we are passing here, which is uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so now let's move to HTML again, and let me change it into the lowercase. So I will save it, and you can see is this complete string converted into lowercase except the number what I have provided. Okay, so you got the idea of two pipes, how we can use that. Okay, now let's see the third one, date pipe. Okay, so for date pipe, let me take one more as h3, one more header, HTML tag, and let me take it as interpolation, and here I will put date time. Okay, and the same variable I will create it here in TypeScript file, and it is date time here, and I will put here new date. Okay, and let me save it, and currently we are not using any pipe here, you can see. So you will see the whole date is coming here. Okay, let me refresh it maybe. Okay, it's not coming. Hmm. Okay, now you can see it's coming because I had not saved this file, this HTML file, that's why it was not coming. Now you can see it is coming here. Okay, so now I want to change it in a different format. So what I will do here, I will change it as like this. We can change. Okay, and here we can put date, month and year. Before that we need to do this and do this, and I will save it, and you can see date, month and year is coming. Okay, so if I will do only date, then it will also work here, and you can see now it will come in this format. Okay, if I will do it like let me take reference from here. So if I will do it like this, so we can also do this thing here. Okay, and I will add it in the same way inside the single quote, and let me save it. So now again it will come first month, then date and then year. Okay, in the same way if I will do something like sort date we can use. Okay, so we can also use the sort date. So sort will type in the small and D will be in the caps, and now rest will be again in the small letter, and you can see this is the sort date. Okay, and we can also uh, add it here full date. Okay, so if I will do full date in at place of sort, and let me save it, then you can see this is coming full day Friday October 14 2022. Okay, and if I will use something else, okay, in the at place of date, if I just want to show the time, then what I will do here, I will just do here hour and then minute. Okay, and then you can see it's coming current time hour with the minute. Okay, in the same way we can also do here maybe second, and you can see second is coming here. Okay, so now let's see what's the next thing. So the next thing is currency pipe. So how can you use the currency pipe? So let me just remove the date here and put any number, for example 3 4 5 6, and here I am going to use the currency pipe. So what I will do, I will remove all these things, and here I will put currency, just currency, and you can see here in the browser you will see by default it has added dollar, and then at the end it has added 0.00. Okay, and in the currency we can also use here the currency code. So suppose I want INR, then I will put here INR, and you can see here it came the symbol of rupees. In the same way we can also use any other symbol. Okay, now you can see it is coming with the pound symbol. Okay, okay, so now let's, here we can also put one thing as true, because in some case if you don't see this I mean the symbol, then you can put it as true. Okay, so now this is the currency pipe what you can use. Okay, now the next thing is what you can do with pipe is that JSON pipe. Okay, so to use the JSON pipe, first you need to create a JSON variable, I mean not actually variable, object. So you can see here this is uh, the object what I'm going to create here in the TypeScript file. So let me remove the date from here and I will paste it. Okay, so it's basically a array of objects. Okay, So we can convert it easily in the JSON. So I have saved the file. This file is saved now, and here we have the variable name as product. Let me copy it. Okay, and now I will go to HTML and I will add one more thing here, h4. Okay, and here I will put interpolation, and here I will use a JSON variable I put. Okay, products I have added here, and let me save it first. So what you will see here in the browser, you will see object and object. Okay, that means you can see it is coming like an array of object. Okay, but I want to see the value. So what I will do here, I will simply use the pipe symbol and use here JSON. That's it, and I will save it, and now you can see it's coming in the JSON format. Okay, in the same way we can also, let me remove it from the array. Just let me use the project, uh, just the object. Okay, so object will not come like this. Object need to come like this only. Okay, so this is the object, and let me save it. I have saved this file, and now I will go here, and you can see this is coming as a simple JSON file. Okay, so it has converted into the JSON string. Okay, so this was the JSON pipe. Okay, now the next thing percent pipe. So in the percent pipe, uh, how we can get the percent? So to get the percent, when we need to send data from here, we can simply use it simply here. So for example, I want to get or use the percent pipe. So let me take one more. I judge 5 here, and I will use again interpolation for that. And for example, so I'm taking 4345, and I want to take it as a percent. So you can see 4345 will be converted as a percent. You can see it in the end. You can see the symbol of percent, and okay, and in the symbol it's also added 00 in the last. Okay, but if you want to convert it in the actual percent, so just put some point here, and you can see it will divide it by 100. Okay, sorry, not divide, actually multiply it by 100. Okay, so this is the basically percent pipe. It is just this much huge. And now the next thing is decimal pipe. So to do the decimal, let me again use at the same place. Okay, so in the decimal pipe, what you can do, you can add more numbers here. Okay, let me add so yeah, okay, here I will use decimal, and then I will use let me see. Okay, so basically in the decimal value, we cannot use decimal keyword here. Basically here we have to use number. Okay, and you can see it's working. So I have saved it, and let me check what is the current change the value. So you can see it is coming as 43.46. okay, that means it automatically converted 59 into as a 6. Okay, but I want to have some specific thing here. So what I will do here, I will do this, and then I will add here 3. Okay, now you will see it's disappeared here because it's not the right syntax to use decimal pipe. So what I will do here, after this I will use point, then I will use 4 minus 4, and I will save it. And now you can see it automatically added 4 here at the, let me zoom it a little bit here. So you can see it automatically added 0 at the beginning, and it is ending with 4600. Okay, so why it is that? Because I am sending here 3, that means the value before point should be 3. Okay, I mean 3 digit, and after the point it should have 4 only. Okay, it should have 4 digit. Okay, that means what we can do here, I mean that's why you can see here after point it is coming 4 and before point it is coming as 3. Automatically it added 0. For example, if I do only here 4, then it will add 00 here. You can see it added the 00. And if I will do I mean this one as 3, and if I will do only one thing, then you can see it will still work. Okay, but if I will do, suppose this one I will do 5, and then it will not work. Okay, so you need to keep this thing in mind. Okay, this should be 4, or if I will do it 3, then automatically it will use it as 3. Okay, you can see after decimal it is coming as just 3. Okay, and if I want to reduce it at the top, I mean up before point, then we need to put it here 2, and now it is looking fine. Okay, so this was the decimal pipe, what you can use to manipulate the data or transform the data. So now in the last we have the slice pipe. So slice is basically coming under the array. So for that we need to have some array. So let me copy some array from here. Okay, basically we need to create an array. Okay, so now what I will do, instead of this, or let me keep this, and let me add one more heading tag as h3, and I will create an array here. Okay, or we can also keep this array at somewhere else. I mean you can create any type of array, a string array or integer array. So let me first cut it from here. I will save it. Now let me put it here in the component. Okay, so this is the name of array, slice array. Okay, I will save this file. It is saying failed to compile because here we need to call the slice array. Okay, and if I will do this only, then let me check. So you can see simply it is printing this array with not without any manipulation, or we can say transformation. So to transform the array, what we can do here, we can use simply array name, and here we can use slice pipe, and we must need to give the value what number I want to slice. So if I will do only 2, then you can see it's coming starting from 4, 5, 6. And why is that? Because in the array 1 and 3 is excluded. That means we are saying that exclude 2 value and display rest data. Okay, so if I will do here in the HTML, if I will do 2 and then 3, sorry, yeah, 2 and we need to use colon 2 and 3. Then what it will do, you can see here, now it's coming only 4. Why is that? Because I am now sending the position, like from what position it should display. Okay, so let's understand it like this. So if I will send 2, that means it will start sending the data from 2. Okay, and third is the position, the third position data. That's why it is displaying only 4. Okay, from 2 to third position data. Okay, that's why it is 4. So this is the number of 2 which you need to skip, and this is the position. Okay, so 2 means uh, number of digit which need to skip. Okay, and this is the position which need from where it need to display. Okay, so if I will do 4, then it will show the data after 2 until 4th position. So you can see here now it's coming 4 and 5. Okay, that means it will skip 2, 1 and 3, and from 2 it will show position number 3 and then position number 4. Okay, in the same way, if I will do here uh, -4 or -4, so now that means it should count from the back. Okay, so it is displaying now, you can see 4 5 6 3 2. Why that is? Because let's see, here it's coming 4 5 6 3. Okay, and then again 2. So that means from the back side it is counting 4 now, 1 2 3 and 4. So -4, that means it is counting from the back. So from the back it will display the 4th position data, I mean after 2. Okay, that's why it is displaying this amount of data from this array. So yeah, this is all what you need to learn related to the inbuilt array, I mean built-in array. Okay, in the Angular. So I hope you got some informative informative thing from this video. So I hope you liked the information, and if you have any suggestions or feedback, please feel free to comment in the comment section down below this video. So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.